Okay, good morning everyone. We are live from Hogwarts and you need to try and spot where's Wally while you're here with us today. So today's assembly for Counterthorpe Academy is all about World Book Day, which is actually this Thursday, the 4th of March 2021, so please save the date. Before we continue talking about World Book Day, and sharing a few bits with you and a competition, I just want to announce the remote learners of the week. So I just want to say a massive well done to everyone, every single one of you who have been joining in your remote lessons. We've had amazing attendance and engagement and participation from you all. And as you know, your teachers each week are nominating their remote learners of the week, and then we use a randomizer to select a winner from each year group who then receive a certificate and receive a voucher. So I'm going to go through and announce who the winners are for Remote Learner of the Week last week, and a massive congratulations to all of them. So we have Jack Sharman. Congratulations, Jack. We have Eleanor Hobbs. We have Lexis Redpath, Joel Brown, Wilson Benyon, Jack Hurley, and Philip Brown. A massive congratulations to all of those students. Well done for participating in all of your lessons. An amazing achievement for you all, and you'll receive all the information very, very soon in the post. Okay, moving on then with World Book Day. This year's theme is Reading is Power. Read up, speak up, change the world. And I was really thinking about celebrating stories and pushing that sort of love of reading and getting involved in reading for pleasure, reading books on topics that you really enjoy and have a passion about. So to look a little bit more at World Book Day, we're just going to show you a quick clip. So just sit back and watch for me. Okay, so you'll be used to the annual £1 book tokens that are given out to students in schools from primary up to secondary and colleges. You will be lucky this year in that we now have sort of downloadable book tokens that you'll all receive. So you can download your digital £1 token from this web link. We'll send this presentation to you afterwards, so you can all use that link to download your token and your voucher. Also, we will have physical copies in schools. So when you're back in school next week, if you would prefer to have a physical copy of your £1 book token, then please come to the library and you'll be able to collect one from Mrs Orton. Okay, so have a think about how you'll spend those vouchers. What you could do is you could choose one of these free books at your local bookshop or supermarket, so your normal supermarkets where your family go food shopping, and you can use your World Book Day token there. Or you can use your book token to get £1 off any book that costs £2.99 or more. And those tokens are valid until the end of March, the 31st of March. Okay, so Mrs Orton is just going to launch a bit of a competition with you all, and I would encourage you all to get involved as much as possible. So over to you, Mrs Orton, or where's Wally?
Hi everyone, welcome to World Book Day competition time. On your PowerPoint is a fun book quiz to test your knowledge about books. See how many you can get. The answers are at the bottom of the page for checking, but no cheating. On Thursday, it would be great if you could dress up as your favourite book character. If you do, please send a picture to me, S Orton at clcc.college. Please make sure you do not include any personal details and the photo is taken in an appropriate setting and not a bedroom. Now, I'm sure you all have a favourite book. Perhaps it's one you've read during lockdown, or one that you've shared with a sibling, or a favourite book you remember when you were younger. If that is you, please send a book review to me, S Orton at clcc.college. You can include the front cover if you wish, and all reviews will be displayed in the library. There are 6 book prizes for the best ones, and the closing date is the 11th of March, so please send those entries in to me. I'll see you all very soon and keep reading. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Mrs Orton. Okay, I'm just going to finish off the assembly with an amazing opportunity for all of you this week. So the Scholastic Live World Book Day event is taking place this week and all of you are invited to take part. So please save the date and have a think about it this week. Scholastic and Travelling Books are celebrating World Book Day with a week of free events from today right through to Friday the 5th of March. Although World Book Day will feel a little bit different this year, if you remember this time last year we were all in school, everyone was dressed up for World Book Day and everyone got really involved in all of that. This is being offered to help fill your week with lots of activities and events to celebrate reading, and the week-long event is free to all of you, and you can enjoy a range of wonderful authors and illustrators hosting 30-minute events including draw-alongs, writing workshops and a 4 p.m. book club as an after-school treat. So we'll send through this link to all of you, and you'll need to register, and I would suggest having someone at home do that for you with an email address and setting up an account with clubs and fairs. There's some frequently asked questions about this event. So how can I register? You basically click the register button on each event you'd like to attend. So you have to do each event separately to register, and you will be directed to a Crowdcast event page. You then enter the password clubs and fairs and then enter your email address to save your spot. You will then receive an email confirmation just as you would do when you normally sign up to other things as well, and just note that you'll need to save your spot at each event separately. How can parents and pupils watch from home? Well, to get the full experience, we recommend parents register for each event themselves, and their children will then be able to join from home and participate in the event by asking questions and polls. So if you've got anyone at home that wants to get involved, then they can do so. Will pupils be able to ask the author and illustrator questions live? Yes, and they encourage you to do so. So at the bottom of the screen, there will be an Ask a Question button, and you can submit your questions there. You can also vote up for other people's questions, so the author or illustrator knows ones that you really want to hear the answers to. And the author and illustrator may also invite you to participate in polls, which can be found in the same place. So I know we have our live lesson timetable taking place this week, but there are some amazing opportunities here for you. If you look at the timetable, you can see there is a suggested age range for each one, but that doesn't matter. Anyone's welcome to join any of them. So if something stands out to you here and it's going to really encourage you with thinking about World Book Week this week and World Book Day on Thursday, then please just drop your teacher an email if you're going to be logging into one of these instead of the lesson. And we'd also love that if you've attended any of them, you send a message to Mrs Orton or myself just to let us know how it's gone and which one you attended if you choose to do that this week. So please enjoy yourselves this week. Please get involved in Mrs Orton's competition and remembering all the information that she shared with you. I will send out this presentation to all of your email addresses now, so you have all the relevant links and information, and have a fantastic week, everyone. We're really looking forward to seeing you all back next week. See you later.